Hello everyone, today I show you the great pair of MTB gloves. The brand name is Hestra from Sweden, more than 80 years on the market. The family business Martin Magnusson & Company was founded in 1936 in the small village Hestra in Sweden. Made their gloves for everyday use, outdoors, skiing, climbing, cycling, horse riding, golf, running and many other activities. And my choice now is Hestra Ergo Grip Enduro 5 fingers gloves. The design is called Ergo Grip and makes for maximum agility and feel in terms of handlebar grip. The palm features absorbent gel cushions that combat tiredness and numbness. The fingertip touch function lets you quickly take a photo or answer the phone without having to take the glove off, and the neoprene cuff with Velcro gently encloses the wrist. A light, close-fitting and simultaneously protective glove for high speed, focus and amazing flow. Perfect for downhill and enduro biking on hot spring and summer days. These gloves are available in two colors, black and green. Thanks for watching and see you soon.